Hi, good morning. This is Mel. In today's video, I will do another repotting. It's a European white birch. It's a very nice tree, and I'm gonna repot it from a 15-gallon nursery pot to a bonsai pot. Please watch the video. Thank you. This is a European white birch that I got from the nursery late spring last year. I already cut the top from 6 feet to a few inches same time last year, and now I'm gonna repot it to a bonsai pot. This is actually easier than the previous one I repotted. I sharpened all my saw blades just before I do this. Now to the pot. I think this is a perfect pot for this tree. I have some white ones and cream, but it's smaller, so I prefer this pot better. I haven't mentioned about my soil mix. I use clay 30%, 30% of pumice, 30% of lava rock, and 10% of crushed granite. The clay I'm using is, just cat litter, and it's a good brand though. It's from Tractor Supply and Company. The brand is Paws and Claws. That works good for me. And pumice, of course, it's a good soil mix, and lava rock as well. And I use crushed granite for my mix because it has really sharp edges, and they said that's good for the roots. It makes your roots finer because they split caused by the sharp edges. So I think that's good. You know what they say, use what is available in your area. And so far, for many years, I have no problem, and my trees are healthy, so I think it's working good for me. Again with the thorough watering after a repot. And here it is. I think we're done with the repot. I am not gonna do any wiring at this time. I'm just gonna let it grow, and I know for sure this spring this will have a really nice foliage, and we go from there. That big cut, I put a sealer, and then I put a little bit of white paint just for the aesthetics. And in the future, the new leader will grow. I have 2 of them, and it will cover the scar, and this will look a lot better. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.